Hey guys, so it's Swode here. I'm back again, and today I am going to be doing a review on this hair. So I've got a lot of questions about the hair I'm wearing on my Instagram, in my DMs, on my Snapchat, in my WhatsApp. So I'm literally answering all the questions everyone wants to know. So this hair is Pappy and Camille's Brazilian kinky curly hair in 320 inches. I've only got about 2 3/4 in, and I've trimmed it down and shaped it into the shape I like, which is soft layers at the top and kind of even at the bottom. I've got a versatile sewing, which means my whole perimeter is out, and y'all know I'm transitioning postpartum from a short cut. Yes. So yeah, this is my hair in the front, and I've just kind of tried to blend it in, and I have got some relaxed ends, but I haven't trimmed them off yet. So I've been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks, just over 3 weeks now, and I like the hair. It is high maintenance. The hair did come in a natural brown, but I dyed it jet black, and I used a powder dye, which I think made it really dry, because I know powder dyes can be drying. That being said, the hair's still amazing. I'm going to show you guys how the hair comes. It pretty much comes in a bundle, in a weft packet like that. It says what's on it. So it says Brazilian human hair. It says the brands, the name, company, contact number, all of that good stuff, and the inch. And then it has this kind of net over it. Yeah. And the bag it comes in is like this. It's just a red plastic bag. These bags are everywhere. Yeah. And it says their contact information on it, and has some pictures of the models with their hair. Yep. So as I said, I love this hair because it has like a natural kind of texture, but also goes nice into this curls. If I like kept on like finger combing it, it comes out really like afro-y. So when I want to have an afro-y look, I can brush it out and have like a twist out and all that good stuff. Day to day, I usually wet down the hair. This is a sample of how the hair looks when it's wet. Yeah. This is what the hair looks like when it's wet. It clumps together and goes into a nice uniformed, like a wave kind of pattern. Yeah. Pretty much I wet it day to day, not too much, but just so it's damp and so that I can get the curls kind of pop in, and I just kind of pull it out. So this hair's been wet and it's dried, so this is what it looks like when it's dry. It's a little bit more stiff, but you can still work it. It's still quite soft and it's very interlocking, so you can shape it and all that good stuff. The products I use in the hair day to day may be ORS mousse, which I love. Coconut oil. This is mainly for my own hair, my leave out. I use the Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil gel, which you can see is on its way out. It's amazing and smells bomb. And lastly, sometimes, just sometimes guys, I use the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Conditioning Cream. It's a hydrating cream conditioning, and it's sulfate free. And I like that because I feel like, as I said, when this hair dries, it goes more like this, kind of slightly stiffer and more afro textured. When you heat this in it, it kind of keeps it more like waved, a little bit heavier, because I guess the conditioner weighs it down, so it stays like that. I'm going to do a tester and show you guys how it looks when you put mousse in it. So I've got this piece, which is pretty much just like how this is. I'm going to just put 1 pump of mousse and just show you how the mousse makes it go. The mousse looks white, but it actually does dry. And with the mousse, I like that you can like finger coil it and manipulate the hair like that. Amazing. Yep. And then the conditioner. I'm just going to put one little, just like that in my hand. And with the hair that's had water on it, which is this one, I'm just going to show you. Just literally work it through, just like that. It pretty much stays like this all through the day. The only thing I would say is that for it to stay like this, it takes quite a bit of product. Hence you can see my ball's almost finished. To maintain my own hair, if I'm having it down like this, I usually have like the back bit hair cornrowed, so all you see is like this leave out and the back is protective styled. When I want to hold it up, that's when I normally take the back out. My back is out right now because that was it was up yesterday. Yeah, so as I'd say, this hair does take a little bit of time. It's not one of those just wash, get up and go type of hairs. You actually have to put in some work into it, and it can be quite hot, but it looks pretty, and I definitely think it blends nice in natural girls' hairs, especially like my hair. I've got so many different textures, so I don't really categorize myself. But yeah, I love this hair. I definitely will do some styles I can do with it, because I'm a versatile girl. Like, I like to switch it up, half up, half down, you know, have it back in one. I have a middle part in, but how I've got it styled right now is like a flip over, so I've just kind of flipped it that way. Yeah, but I love this hair. It's very pretty. It's very, very pretty, guys. If you're gonna get it, as I said, you don't necessarily need to buy 3 bundles. I think the hair volumizes, so it gets bigger. It really does, because when I bought it, it was kind of like, and then it just kind of pew, 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 kind of thing, so it gets very voluminous. So yeah, when I do my clients' hair, I would normally tell them to get 2 bundles, but I was being a bit extra and I wanted some, you know, volume. I wanted some, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, so I hope you like this video. If you'd like to send me hair, inbox me, message me. My email is going to be on or down below in the info box. Yeah, I love this hair, and yeah, any questions, comment below, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like, comment, rate and subscribe, and have a blessed day. Stay faithful, guys.